Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about how to make your ex regret losing you. So you've probably broken up with your ex and now you want them to realize the treasure that they had but never valued. You see, humans are very funny. Most times we don't value what we have until we lose it. So it is very okay that you want to make your ex to see what they will be missing right now. My name is Chris and you're welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, now is a good time to do so. Go ahead and subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be one of the first people to be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you're ready for the show, I am ready, so let's dive into it. The first way to make your ex regret losing you is to cut off all contact with them. I know that this might not be something that you want to do, especially if you're still really into your ex, but trust me, it is very necessary, okay? It is important. You see, humans don't value what they have a lot of the time. They don't. So you need to create your absence. You need to make your ex feel your absence. Think of it as a commodity. People generally love and yearn for scarce commodities. But when a commodity is everywhere, nobody wants to even take a look at it because it becomes common. It is easily accessible. The same thing happens with humans, okay? When you're readily available, people tend to not value you. So when you and your ex started dating, they were probably so into you, they were smitten by you. They couldn't go a day without talking to you or even without seeing you. But over time, you became so available, they probably started to forget how important you were. They probably forgot what you were bringing to the table. Well, you guys are no longer dating. Yeah, now you need to make them realize that you are no longer at their beck and call, okay? Cut off all contact with them. Don't call them for anything. Don't text them. Don't even try to seek closure. You can give yourself your closure. You are all the closure that you need. By the time you cut off all contact with your ex, I can assure you that they will begin to miss you. And once they start to miss you, they might start to realize that they have lost someone very special. Block them on social media if you have to. For now, you just want them to know that you are not available. You want to create your absence. You want to make your absence known, okay? And if they're constantly seeing you on social media, that might not be possible because they will be knowing everything that you're up to on a daily basis. So cut off all contact, okay? Don't communicate with them. Delete their number if you have to, so that you're not tempted to pick up your phone and call them. The second way to make your ex regret losing you is to grow and develop yourself. Listen, there's nothing to miss or regret about someone that is stagnant, okay? You don't want your ex to keep seeing you at the same place they left you. No, you want to grow, you want to improve, you want to move from there onto higher heights, onto higher grounds, all right? And there's something very sexy and attractive about success. When you're successful, a lot of people would want to associate with you. A lot of people would want to get involved with you because of your success. Now is the time for you to begin to do all of those things that you need to do to get onto your next level, okay? Let's keep the long-term goals aside for now. We need to focus on short-term goals. What are those things that you can get doing right now and then begin to see the results in a few months? What are those things? You can start with getting in better shape, for instance. No matter how you look right now, trust me, you can look better, okay? And there's nothing more regretful to an ex than seeing the person that they used to be with looking hotter than ever. So you might want to consider hitting the gym and working out to get that banging body. We call it the revenge body. Now is the time to get your own revenge body. Hit the gym, work out, put in the effort, and then get that figure, that banging figure, so that the next time you run into your ex, or they see you online, they will see what a great figure that you have acquired. Apart from working out, there are other ways that you can improve yourself, you can develop yourself. The idea is to do better than you were when you were dating your ex, so that when they see how good you're doing, they will wish that they were in your life to experience that growth and progress with you. They would wish that they were there when you were going through that growth. And that is very important, because the more you grow, the more they will regret ever losing you. They would wish that they never ever considered letting you go in the first place. So get thinking, what are those things that you can do right now for self-development, for growth in your life? Developing yourself or getting better isn't just about getting back at your ex, it's also for your own good, because in the long run you'll have all these gains, all these benefits to yourself, and you'll be happy that you did them in the first place. The third way to make your ex regret losing you is to live your best life. Oh yes, you need to live your best life now more than ever. Remember, you need to grow and develop yourself. While you're doing that, you also need to start ticking those boxes on your bucket list. What are those crazy, those fun stuff that you have always wanted to do? Now is the time to just let go of your inhibitions and do them. You are no longer with your ex. Nobody is holding you back. You need to go out and live life to the fullest. Now, here's the importance of doing this. Apart from, of course, doing it for yourself to feel better, to live life to the fullest, your ex will get to know about what you have been up to. I know that you guys probably have mutual friends. So when you're busy living your best life, trust me, word will get to them. Your mutual friends will tell them about how awesome you're doing. Where is that place that you've always wanted to go to? This is the perfect time to go on that vacation. There's no better time than now, okay? Get up, get your bags, and get going. What are those fun, adventurous stuff that you have always wanted to do? Now is the time to do them, okay? Live your best life. Don't be waiting on an ex that has probably moved on. No, get up and get moving, okay? Go all out there. Have fun. Call up your friends, okay? Don't stay at home all by yourself. Call up your friends. Let them come on with you. If you're going somewhere, they might want to come along. Hang out with your friends, you know, have all the fun in the world, okay? A breakup is not the end of the world. And if you really want to make your ex to regret losing you, you need to show them that you're living life to the fullest without them. That is the idea. They probably thought that without them, you wouldn't do any better. You have to prove them wrong, okay? You need to let them know that with or without them in the picture, your life would go on. And as word gets back to them of how great you're doing, trust me, they will feel really jealous and wish they were there having all that fun with you. We're still talking about how to make your ex regret losing you. And the fourth tip is post your best photos on social media. You want to pass a message across to your ex, but you're not going to call them personally, neither are you going to text them. You will use social media to get the message across. Now is the time to post your best photos. Remember, you are developing yourself and living your best life. Someone has to see you. Someone has to see how awesome you are doing, and that is your ex. Post enough photos on your social media to let them know that you are having the time of your life, okay? Trust me, they are watching. They are. They might not like your photos, they might not comment because they don't want you to know that they're watching you, but they are really seeing you. Even if they didn't see you initially, your mutual friends will let them know what's up and they will run to take a look. And when they see how awesome you're doing without them, oh my goodness, there's no better comeback than that. Trust me, there is none, okay? You will literally make them feel so terrible about themselves. Don't forget to take photos in your best angles. You need to know your best angles, all right, and focus on those angles. You need to look really good, okay? If the pictures are not out of the world, don't post them. Nobody posts their bad photos on social media. Nobody does that, okay? Focus on your best photos alone while you are doing awesome stuff, crazy stuff. Trust me, your ex is watching, and he or she would wish, really wish, they never let you go in the first place. The fifth way to make your ex regret losing you is to always be prepared for a chance meeting. Chances are that you might run into your ex. Initially, the idea was to cut off all contact with them, right? Now that you have moved on, now that you're doing great things, you don't need to be running anymore. Yes, you don't want to meet with them, but there's a chance that you could run into them. So you have to be prepared for that chance meeting. So what am I talking about? You have to always look your best to begin with. If you know that there's a slight chance, no matter how little it is, that you will run into your ex in an environment, you need to look your best. You don't have to look bad at any time. You should never be caught unfresh. Always look on point, okay? Because when they see you, they need to see you in your best moments, all right? So you also have to be mentally prepared, okay? There's nothing as sexy as being very confident, especially when you're relating with your ex. You want to let them know that you have moved on. You want to let them know that you have no ill feelings toward them, that you've moved on so fast, okay? If by chance you meet your ex, the first rule is to be calm, all right? Don't be nervous. There's no cause for alarm. You have nothing to be anxious about. Remember, you are in charge, you're in control. So calm down, relax, and talk to them like you're talking to a stranger, like you're talking to just any other person, all right? Confidence is very sexy. Remember, you've been working on yourself lately. Now is the time to practice, okay? If you need to act, fine, all right? You might be shy naturally, you might not feel up to it naturally. Act the part, okay? Look them straight in the eye while talking to them. Don't look away, look them straight in the eye and answer them accordingly. But you need to ensure that you don't indulge in any conversations about your breakup, all right? This is not the time to be talking about your breakup. Remember, you've moved on, so what is there to talk about? All you should be talking about is what you have been up to. Let them know about all the awesome stuff that you've been up to, all the awesome places that you've been to. Let them know that your work has never been better, that business has never been better. You need to let them see that life is way better without them, okay? And if you've been putting in all the work, getting that revenge body, improving yourself, going to places, it wouldn't be a lie. Where is the lie? Because really, life has never been better. Make a very good impression, okay? Don't be downcast, looking like you're still mourning their loss, you're regretting, you're still hung up on the breakup. No, you have moved on, okay? And they need to see that. It is very important. Be ready, because that meeting could happen at any time. When you're busy living your best life, there's a chance that your ex would want to reconnect with you. They might begin to ask for a meetup. Now, this is the sixth tip. You have to decline, okay? You have to say no to any meetup whatsoever. Remember, they broke up with you. They said they no longer wanted to be in a relationship with you. So why do they want to meet up with you now? The answer is no. Okay, and the more you say no to them, the more they would crave for your attention. Don't give them the impression that you are at their beck and call by saying yes to their invitation. Say no, okay? You don't need to see them. You are better off without them. But you have to be polite about it, okay? Turn them down politely, not aggressively, okay? Just let them know that you are so busy with life. You're busy with work. You're busy with having fun. You don't have time to spare for them. It's as simple as that. and that way they will value you even more, because now it is clear that you are not at their beck and call, that they can't get across to you whenever they like. You are in charge of your life now, and they are not in your life. They are not in the picture. So why should you give them your time? All right, say no to any meeting whatsoever, and I tell you what, your ex will regret ever letting you go in the first place. It's funny how an ex would want to reconnect once you step up, once you are living your best life. That is the reason why you need to make it a priority to live your best life. Okay, stop wailing. Trust me, if they ever found out that you're still holding back to your past relationship, the one you had with them, they wouldn't want to have anything to do with you, because there's nothing attractive about someone who doesn't have a life. There's nothing, trust me, take it from me. So you have to move on. You have to pick yourself together and move on. Have all the fun in the world. The better your life is without them, the more they would want to be involved in your life. Okay, don't forget that. Remember, at the end of the day, you come first. Put yourself first. All right, love yourself as much as you can, because only when you truly love yourself will you be able to love someone else. In case you're still struggling with getting over your ex, I recently did a video on how to get over a breakup, how to overcome a heartbreak. All right, you can find the video right here. Watch it, and I can assure you that you will be glad that you did. Take a look around my channel and watch more of my videos. They are very interesting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, this is a good time to do so. Please don't forget to turn on the notification so that you won't miss a single video that I will upload. It was nice talking to you on this one. My name is Chris. See you on the next one.